Assalaamu alaykum. Welcome back to another Tajweed tips and tricks tutorial. In this lesson, we will be reading from page 19 of the Safar Abridged Qa'idah, similar letters. So we're looking at box number 1 and 2, the Hamza and the Ain. They're both throat letters, but Hamza is pronounced from the bottom of the throat, whereas Ain is pronounced from the middle of the throat. So if we go across from box number 1 to box number 6, A, I, I, U, U. The next line, we have a ta and a ta. They share a makhraj, but the ta is empty mouth, the ta is full mouth. So going across from box number 7 to 12, ta, ta, ti, ti, tu, tu. Next is line number 3, the tha and the sheen. Pronounced totally differently, look totally different. The only thing that they share really is the 3 dots. So let's try them. Th, sh, thi, she, thu, shu. Line number 4. Here we've got a ha and a ha. So in box number 19, the ha is pronounced from the middle of the throat, and the ha in box 20 is pronounced from the bottom of the throat. Let's see how we get on. Ha, ha, hi, he, hu, hu. So you can see that the ha is pushed out. There's quite a bit of force there, whereas the ha is very relaxed. Next line, number 5. So we've got box 25 going across to box 30. The kha and the ghain, they share a makhraj, so they're both pronounced from the top of the throat, and they both share that dot as well. But the sound is a little bit different. Kha, gha, khi, ghi, khu, ghu. Box number 31, dal, and box number 32, dad. The makhraj is different, they look different, but they sound similar. The dad is full mouth, dal is empty mouth. So let's go across. Da, da, di, di, du, du. Next line, we're on to box number 37, a dal, and box number 38 is a va. So the makhraj is the same, but dal is empty mouth, whereas va is full mouth. Let's have a go. The, va, vi, vi, vu, vu. Okay, next line, ra and lam. They look the same, and that's about where the similarities end. Ra, la, ri, li, ru, lu. And the last line on this page, a dhal and tha. They share at the makhraj, but the sounds are different. The, th, vi, thi, vu, thu. That's it for today's lesson. I will leave a couple of links that I think may be helpful, that link in quite nicely with this lesson from previous lessons. If you have any comments, suggestions, questions, please do leave them in the comment section, and please do share, like, subscribe for further notifications, etc. etc. Okay, Jazakallahu khairan. Assalamu alaykum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.